Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with clean edges. This removes oils that resist gel, so the product bonds to hair. Take a pea-sized amount. If your edges are thick, use up to 1/4 teaspoon, because too much causes flaking. Apply the gel directly to the hairline with your fingertip, then smooth with a toothbrush or fine-tooth comb to shape. Once done, press a silk scarf over the area for 1 to 3 minutes to set the hold and reduce product transfer, making the style last longer. Next, you refine the shape by working in small sections, about 1 to 2 inch zones, so each area dries evenly and holds. Use light, intentional strokes with the toothbrush to sculpt swoops or baby hairs. Pressing too hard can flatten hair or push gel into your scalp. If you see excess product, make sure to smooth it inward with a damp finger. This reduces visible residue and keeps lines crisp. Once those lines are consistent, repress with the scarf for 30 to 60 seconds to lock definition. To finish, let the area air dry a little before removing the silk scarf so the gel isn't tacky and transferable. Inspect for thin spots and touch up with a tiny amount of gel. Less is more. If you encounter flaking, gently wipe the flakes away with a damp cloth and reapply a thinner layer. Heavy reapplication causes buildup. Finally, make sure you rest your edges 2 to 3 days between heavy styling to prevent breakage. Consistent, gentle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.